First things first, yes, his name is the Fat Kid. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Fat Kid from Alien Hominid Invasion. And I have a sketch drawn, and I'm going to trace over my sketch in marker so you can see how to draw the Fat Kid. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is draw his head, which is basically like a cylinder. Or a curved rectangle. So then you're going to draw his backwards hat, which is a line at the top of his head, and then like a triangle shape, and a line through that. And then you're going to draw his two eyes, which are just two circles. And his eye on the left is a little bit more towards the middle, and his eye on the right is more towards the side of his head. And his mouth is just a straight line. And then he has two lines on the side of his mouth that are more under his mouth. And now I'm going to draw his arm. And you're going to have a little hump at the top of his arm there for the strap. And his hand is just a rectangle. And here you're going to draw the strap. And then the rest of the strap is right there. And then close it off there. And then here, next to his eye, you're going to draw his backpack, which is what the strap is attached to. And then there's also a part of the backpack under his arm. And I'm just going to make that eye a little bigger. Perfect. Alright, so his other strap is on the other side of his head. And you're not going to draw his arm over there. It's just his hand. And now I'm going to connect the two straps. And then that's going to close off his shirt. That's the rest of his backpack. And the symbol on his shirt, I'm going to color in gray. It's basically like a fork. So it's almost a square, but you don't close off the bottom. And you're going to have two slanted lines there, two lines down, and then a curved line, or a curved almost circle at the bottom. And then two lines in there. So, yeah, it does look like a fork. Why does he have a fork on his shirt? I do not know. And now for his pants, it's two lines like that, and then a line horizontal, and then vertical, and then something similar on the other side. And then you're going to draw a line connecting them, but it's going to overlap right there. And now I'm going to draw his shoes, which is basically like a rectangle, but it's pointed at the tip. And they're kind of small. I'm just gonna color that in black real quick. And there you have it. There's the Fat Kid from Alien Hominid Invasion. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.